How to make Telegram account without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can make or log in to Telegram without phone number. Now, to get things straight, unfortunately there is no any option to log into Telegram or make a Telegram account without phone number. Telegram uses your phone number to verify the users and then register them and log in, so you won't be able to do it without phone number. However, if you don't have an actual phone number or SIM card, or you don't want to use your personal phone number to do so, what you can do is alternately you can go ahead on your browser and search in for virtual number for OTP. There you can head into any of these links. I'll recommend you the first link there. You'll get the free ones there. However, if you want paid ones, you can get the paid one for virtual numbers, and then you can use it to log in to verify your account to get the verification code. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.